3, 2, 1, power up.
And here we go again. This is 4 versus 5. Remember, the blue seeded alliance number 5 won the first match. Blue must win this to stay alive. Blue gets motion from all 3 of their robots. Looks like red does as well. We do not have ownership. 15-15, we are tied going to the teleop. Teleop is going to determine who wins this. Quick foul called on red. And blue has a large lead, but over here, Disco Bots look to be spinning for a little bit, but they're doing just fine. Red and blue both have ownership of their switch. Blues came much quicker, however. They have about a 2-to-1 lead with 110 seconds left. Will teams start going for the scale? Well, let's see. Blue has evened out red switch. Red is no longer gaining any points. Blue is gaining a point per second. 100 seconds left in the match. Blue is already up 30. Red needs ownership. Red has done the force, so they have got ownership of both the switch and the scale for about the next 3 seconds. But that time is up, and blue has ownership of the switch, and that's it. Blue is at a point per second. 75 seconds left. Here goes 69, 51. Spartans trying to go for that scale. Doesn't look like. There it goes. It's getting there. And they drop it. Red now has ownership of the scale. Blue has ownership of the switch. 1 minute left in the match. They are both gaining a point per second. We'll see how things go on. Red has just activated Levitate. That cuts into the lead. Red takes the lead now. Red is up by 20. Red is up by 20. Blue, once again, ownership of its switch and ownership of the red switch. Red, ownership of the scale. 35 seconds left, and the game is essentially tied up. Last second ownership, maybe some in-game power-ups. What will determine this match? That's the 30-second sound. Teams can do in-game. We've got a couple of big penalties being called at the very end. That could determine this match. 15 seconds left. Blue has a slight lead. We've got power-ups being activated right at the last moment. Blue with the slight lead. There goes 46-39 on their climb. That looks to be successful. Time is running out. Looks like blue has a 100-point lead. We'll have to check on that. We've got interference with robots at the very end. The refs are going to have to discuss these things. Causing the other team into a penalty. And here comes the official score. That does go to the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance winning that in a very close